Howdy folks, thanks so much for clicking your way to myhighplains.com. Meteorologist Lilja here, standing in front of Pinpoint 3D Tide Radar, brought to you by Kelly Roofing. Not much happening out there. In fact, across the high plains, nice and sunny. In fact, your Easter was pretty good. By the way, happy Easter to everyone, whether it still be on Sunday or early Monday morning. Hope you made it a good one, because it was pretty nice across the high plains for the most part. All the action well off to the east or back off to the west, even a little bit back off to the north. You might be saying to yourself, Nick, I don't see much out there. Over the next couple of days, we're looking pretty good, right? No, things are going to change in the next about 36 to 48 hours. Old Man Winter makes a return, even an opportunity for some showers and thunderstorms, and a drastic warm-up as we head into the weekend. A very active week across the high plains. It all starts with this cold front that backs across the area as we move through the day on Monday, sparking off one or two showers. Very isolated event for our neck of the woods, mainly in some of our southern and southwestern counties. The best chance for some showers and thunderstorms. This is on Monday. Back behind this, much cooler air. In fact, as we head through the afternoon, folks in Beaver back toward Guyman probably only going to manage the 30s and 40s in the afternoon on Monday. And then the rest of us are all stuck in that boat as we head into the day on Tuesday. This area of low pressure moves its way our direction. Cloudy, cold, rain, even maybe a little bit of snow mixed in during the day on Tuesday. I think for the most part, Tuesday will be all rain. You might be able to mix in some light sleet as you head back off to the north and west, but that'd be about it. It's Tuesday night into Wednesday as this guy plops right on top of us that we have to worry about a wintry mix into the overnight hours. Right now, the model's going back and forth on what kind of precipitation will be falling. Right now, I'm going to go with, here in town at least, an opportunity for a couple of flakes mixing in early Wednesday morning, but I don't think we'll see any accumulating snow. Though in saying that, this forecast has changed drastically just about every single time a new model run comes out. So about every 6 hours or so, something does change. So do keep that in mind as we head through about the next 48 to 72 hours or so. Now, as we move into the day on Thursday, things clear out, high pressure builds back in, we clear out, we start warming up, and by the time we get to this next weekend, how about good old-fashioned high plains spring weather? Breezy winds out of the southwest and temps in the 70s and 80s. We can handle that. But what are we looking at over the next, 48, 72 hours or so? How about this? As you wake up on Monday morning, a couple of clouds in some of our eastern counties. That's about it. We'll increase the clouds area-wide as we head into the afternoon. There's your opportunity for some showers and storms now down off to the south of Amarillo. And take a look at what happens. By the time we get to Tuesday morning, now, future sky forecast here painting in rain showers here in Amarillo, but just as you head back off to the north, places like Borger, back toward Dumas, getting in toward Pampa, even back toward Panhandle perhaps as you make your way back further out toward Perryton. How about a rain-snow mix? Most likely rain and sleet, though you might be able to catch a couple of snowflakes in there. And I just don't know if you folks in Beaver back toward Liberal are going to have an opportunity for full-fledged snowflakes. Really think you'll be mixing in some sleet and some rain as well. And then as we head through the day on Tuesday, that snow line pushes down further to the south. Here we are, dinner time on Tuesday. Here in town saying, still a rain-snow mix. I'm going to go ahead and agree with that guy. I don't think we'll see actual snowflakes falling until we head into the overnight hours. And here we are on Wednesday morning as you wake up and head off to work. How about a rain-snow mix and good old-fashioned regular snow, as they say, falling here in town. We'll have to watch this closely because if this pans out, future sky forecast, of course, powered by our RPM computer model run, this is what we're looking at for precipitation totals. Okay, so Monday, here we are, 7 o'clock at night. Again, showers, thunderstorms down off to the south. The rest of us nice and dry. Here we go. How about this? As we move through the day on Tuesday, by Tuesday afternoon here in town, suggesting anywhere between 1/10 and 1/4 of an inch of rain. And how about this? As you head back off to the east, anywhere between 1/4 of an inch and 1/2 inch of total precipitation to this point. And then take a look at this. Not too bad at all. Take a look at the legend here. The blue indicating just about 1 inch of total precipitation on a line from Guyman down through Amarillo and down to Tulia, points off to the east, seeing some very beneficial rainfall. But unfortunately, it's not going to fall as just rain as we go through the next couple of days. The RPM computer model run suggesting how about a little bit of snow here in town by the time it's all said and done as we move into the day on Wednesday. Under 2 inches of snow here in town, about 2 to 4 inches of snow fallen back off to the north. And how about 3 to 6 inches for you folks in Liberal? Now, with the soil temperatures where they're at, even if this much snow is to fall out of the sky, I don't know if we'll be able to accumulate that much on the ground. Probably just a dusting hanging around here in town on tops of cars and on the grass because, well, the soil is just too warm to keep any snow from melting as it hits it. So, temperature-wise, forecast for the next couple of days. How about this? 42 as you wake up here in town, 45 in Borger, and 41 in Pampa. Here we go into the afternoon. Temps relatively comfortable. How about 46 chilly in Guyman? We're at 66 here in town, 74 in Tulia. The temperature spread quite drastic for your Monday. And then as we head into Tuesday, here comes Old Man Winter. There's a rain-snow mix, even some snow back off to the north of town, suggested by our future sky forecast. 37 in Guyman. Same goes in Perryton. We'll be at 39 here in town and still holding on to the upper 40s in Childress with some light rain. Now, taking a look at the week ahead, like I mentioned, it doesn't last very long. Our bout with Old Man Winter very short. 66 for tomorrow, 39, very chilly for your Tuesday, 45 on Wednesday, and then we break out of it. Take a look at the rest of the week ahead. 60s, 70s, and eventually back into the 80s as we head into next weekend. Of course, breezy conditions will be around. Like I mentioned, good old-fashioned high plains spring weather. Buckle up, folks, for the next couple of days. Grab the old winter coat back out of the closet. You're going to need it. And thanks again for clicking your way to myhighplains.com.